I'd like to do a walk around of my new Grumman sport boat. This is my third one. I've owned 3 of these really cool boats. This is a Grumman sport boat, 1974 model, 15 feet long, about 42 inches wide at the widest point. I love these boats because, number one, they're aluminum. They don't rust. They're practically indestructible if you take reasonable care of them. They last indefinitely. This one was quite a mess when I got it. And I cleaned it up, got all the oxidation off. The oarlocks were really, really messy. I mean, just incredibly messy. So I took them off. All the screws and bolts, nuts are stainless, so nothing rusts on it. Got a battery and a Minn Kota 30 that drives it. And what I do with this boat, just had it out this morning, what I do is I lock this down so it's pointed straight ahead. I turn it on the slowest speed, and then I either sit or stand in the boat and I steer with that 8-foot aluminum oar right there. If I'm rowing, I just use the standard wooden oars. So there you have it, sitting on a really nice Continental trailer, which I bought after I bought the boat. I bought the boat without a trailer, and so I found this trailer. It's nearly new, as you can tell. I bought that, so we're good to go. Have a wonderful day out there, you guys. Don't forget, God loves you just because you're you. That is the truth. I'm Mike Green, here to tell you the truth.